This is the Earth Curvature Interactive Calculator, which helps engineers determine geometric visibility constraints due to Earth's curvature. Let's examine the inputs. First, we have a calculation mode dropdown with 6 options: horizon distance from observer height, hidden height at distance, line of sight distance between 2 points, maximum bulge height between points, dip angle to horizon, and required height for target visibility. For this demonstration, I'm using horizon distance from observer height. Below that, we have observer height in meters, target height in meters, distance in kilometers, distance to observer in kilometers, distance to target in kilometers, target distance in kilometers, and Earth radius in kilometers. For our example, I've entered observer height of 10 meters, target height of 5 meters, distance of 10 kilometers, distance to observer of 20 kilometers, distance to target of 20 kilometers, target distance of 15 kilometers, and Earth radius of 6,371 kilometers. After clicking Calculate, the primary result shows 11.288 kilometers, which is the distance to the geometric horizon. The secondary result converts this to 7.014 miles, or 6.095 nautical miles. Additional results include drop at horizon of 0.010 meters and confirms our observer height of 10.00 meters. This tool is essential for radio tower placement, maritime navigation, and surveying applications. Find the link in the description below.